So alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a date and time function in your code. So first of all, to use a date and time function, we have to import a library which is date time library, and it is an inbuilt library in our VS Code to import date time. So now we have to define in the function, which is we have to define a function as time def time uh, time is equals to date time dot date time dot now. Why now? Because we want to know the current date and time, so that's why we are using now here. Dot strf time. Strf time means we have to convert the string format to time. Strf time, then we write uh, percentage I, percentage I, percentage I for hour, percentage m, percentage m for minute, and uh, percentage s, percentage s for second. Now we have to use a speak function. Speak time. Now here we have to copy this. So see what is the time. What is the time? If we ask our system what is the time, so it will give response. So then we have to use the function time. We have to use the function time. So now let's run the code. What is the time?
2 hours and 21 seconds.
Again running the code. What is the time?
2 hours and 37 seconds.
Now let us run the code. What is the time?
2 hours 1 minute and 27 seconds.
So in this way you can use the time in your system. So now see how we can use the date in your AI virtual assistant. Okay, so now if we want to use the date in our system, so we have to use the same library, and then we have to uh, define the function date, which is def date. Then we have to declare the variable er is equals to int date time dot date time dot now, as because we want to know the real time. Date dot er. We have to copy the same code for month and date also. Okay. So month, month, oh, date, date. Now we have to call the speak function. Speak here, speak month, speak date. So again we have to use this elif loop. So if condition. So now we want to ask our Jarvis what is the current date. Now we have to call the date function. So now let us run the code. What is the current date? I think there is some errors. Okay, so we have to call the day. This is the error. So now let us run the code. What is the current date?
2022. 8. 10.
So again run the code. What is the current date?
2022. 8. 10.
So it is saying that 2022 8 and 10. As you can see that it is 2022 8 and 10. It is showing that the year is 2022 and 8 and 10. So in this way you can use the date and time function in your code. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for notification of part 3. Thank you.